Hello, Newfoundland Adventurer here, out for a little walk with the puppy, Newfoundland Adventurer style. So she has been in the house for a few days, so she wants to go for a little walk. So Maggie and the Newfoundland Adventurer stroll, and when we come to a fork in the road, the Newfoundland Adventurer usually takes to one less traveled by. Okay, Meg, go find him, go find him, go find him, go find him, go find him. This way, this way, this way, this way. This will beat her out pretty quick. Hey girl, hey girl. You find him? Anything in there? Anything in there? Find him, find him, find him. Good girl, good girl. Find him. Beautiful night here in Newfoundland, probably minus 12, 14, no wind. Got some fresh powder down. I got my axe in case coyotes come around, because this is actually coyote breeding time, so they can be around. And they ain't gonna get my little pups. Anyway, just wanted to check in, let you know that we're still out looking around from the back country. I'll talk to you later. We made it back to the car. No coyotes ate us. So Maggie wants some treats now. Hey, you want some treats? Yeah, Daddy gives you some treats for being a good girl. A little 15-minute walk is all we need to get her beat out a little bit before bed. Good night.